Addiction, the core problem of porn addiction. People around the world become addicted to various things. Among them, today we are discussing porn addiction 1. Porn addiction severely destroys your personality. Let me explain this using neuroscience. The role of superstimulation. To perform any action, our brain requires dopamine. Dopamine is the hormone that creates the expectation of pleasure or satisfaction. When dopamine is released, it binds to various receptors along the neural pathways in the brain. Example, normal activity. After reading a favorite book or eating a favorite food, dopamine is reabsorbed back into the transmitting neuron. This is called dopamine reward pathway activation, the addiction mechanism. Once a person becomes addicted to something, dopamine starts to be secreted in excessively large amounts. This overstimulation causes the receptor sites on the neurons to decrease in number and sensitivity, creating holes or downregulating. The receptors essentially withdraw to protect the brain from constant overload. This is known as dopamine receptor downregulation during addiction. Due to this downregulation, an extremely large amount of dopamine is required just to generate a basic level of excitement or stimulation. This leads to an increased urge to watch more porn videos, often seeking out more extreme or novel content. This is a primary characteristic of all addictions. Consequences of this addiction: loss of special talents and skills, increased laziness, lethargy, loss of creativity. Specific to porn addiction, it generates feelings of guilt and shame. I've done something wrong. It reduces a person's vitality or energy. This can lead to the development of depression. 3 essential qualities to overcome this habit. To stop this addiction, a person must possess 3 qualities: willingness, courage, environment, the right support system, surroundings. Primary reasons contributing to porn addiction. Point 1. Lack of proper sexual education. Globally, children need to receive comprehensive sexual education from a young age. The current ease of access to these videos, fueled by high-speed internet and smartphone usage, makes addiction simple and fast. The processes that occur in the brain due to porn addiction have been noted to be similar to those seen in cocaine drug addiction. Point 2. What happens if porn is banned? When something is banned, people often give it an unrealistic and severe value. It then becomes an unspoken secret wrong, leading to numerous complex social and psychological problems. Therefore, openly discussing this issue is much more suitable than prohibition. Point 3. Sexual abstinence. Doctors have found that refraining from all sexual activities for a few weeks can cause a testosterone spike, an increase in testosterone levels. This concept is often discussed in certain communities under the term no-fap or semen retention, and is cited as a means to regain mental and physical energy. Gender differences in porn consumption. It is predominantly men who watch porn videos most frequently. This is due to the fact that men are primarily driven towards sexual attraction by visual stimuli. Women are primarily driven towards sexual attraction based on emotional connection and context. Point 4. What must be done to eradicate this addiction? The necessity of sexual education. Comprehensive, honest education. Openly discussing sexuality, removing stigma and shame, allowing opportunities for genuine relationships, which helps people understand and experience intimacy in a healthy, non-synthetic way.